Okay, and now I will do the same in aluminium and hope not to make mistake this time. This will be my new interiors and they will look like this, and the dashboard. Not very deep, better than nothing. Hello everyone, I'm making interiors part 2. After the failure of the last video, I decided to try again, not modifying this, but making something new. And this will be better, because this is in 2 pieces with screws. Go to the video and you find it. This will be just in 1 piece, all folded up. And of course, this was better because it was deeper, but deeper we can put on this car. And at the end of the day, this is an RC car. Today I will do this and the dashboard. Then, waiting for the pilot. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. Here a little bit larger, as it arrives better to the velcro. Then, okay. This is wonderful. A friend of mine made a gift once we have been in Chiasso, Switzerland, and there's a very good tool shop, and he made me a gift, and fantastic. This is one of my best tools. For the record, Switzerland is here nearby, 50 kilometers. And we go to the Yodel land. Chocolate and clocks. Well, this is what I have to cut. Now I cut, I don't show you, not to bore. Then I fold and I show you. Et les voilà, les intérieurs de la voiture. Voici, mesdames et messieurs. This is the right one. The body copies perfectly. Now we have to fill this with the dashboard. And I also like how it looks from under. The car is really complicated, filled up. It's no more empty, and it's not finished. And now we start building the dashboard, and for this I find that is very useful also for the interior, as I've already shown you, to make a cardboard template in order to, yes, put on this and then, but perhaps I prefer plastic card. This is 2 mm thick, could be nice because I can get it round, I can make it round as requested by the real dashboard. But this is not big enough, I don't have any more, so let's find a solution. This is the solution. 0.75, 2 mm. Big, smaller, just for the edge of the dashboard, for the round part. This has to be a little bit larger. If you move one piece on the other, it's easier to melt the plastic. It has to dry with a little bit of pressure. Now that it's dried, we can make the right shape for the front part of the dashboard. Can you imagine? Yes, it's quite good. Now I cut this, then I make it round using this thickness. Then under I apply the panel instrument with the holes, so on. Yes, I'm still looking at this curve. It looks quite realistic, yes. The dry wheel is here and the last instruments are by this side. The head of the pilot is here and there's a good line. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but the dashboard, the panel instrument is a lot thinner than the original. But here we have a matter of spaces and I don't want the panel gets to the floor. So it's like when they paint. Now this clip, I don't like it at all. I have to find another way to mount the side mirrors. But perhaps some instruments are not an exaggeration. Now I need a spring and a thermo shrink, and I will show you to do what. Here I have some springs. I used to keep springs from everywhere. Perhaps this one. This could be. Yes, why not? Spring found. It has to be black. This. You can't imagine what am I going to do. Let's see if yes, I'm right. This is fantastic. You will see. Hot! Wow! It's very hot. Come on. Okay. What do you think this is it for? I give you a little idea. Yes, this has to be finished, but not so much. Look at this picture. This is for the pilot air, to refresh the pilot. And I can bend it as I want, pass through this, and this is a fantastic idea. The dashboard, holes, 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 buttons, buttons, little lights, steering wheel, pass through. Okay, this is the dashboard ready to be painted. Inside it would be nice. Well, okay, it's not perfect, but once inside it gives the idea. I'm absolutely not clever. I don't have any instrument to do these very thin lines that we need, but nice. Now some buttons and lights, and then the dashboard is finished. And now the problem is the steering wheel. And also for today, this is all. To finish the interiors, I need some other parts. Steering wheel, the seat that has to be made in a strange way because we have not enough space, but we have to white paint the seat, and extinguisher, and gear shaft, you can see it, and something on the back rear, the head. There are tubes, things, I don't know what they are. I hope not for fuel. I'm going to enjoy a little bit more on this car. I have to change the way they mount the rear side mirror, because it's not nice with those very big clips. Maybe a bolt, yes. So in the next video I hope to finish interiors. No news from the pilot. Comment, like and subscribe.